Welcome back. Welcome back. This is part D, question number 3. So this one says Fulmill is an inner city suburb. Fulmill Community Group, FCG, has been set up to encourage local people to become involved in the community. FCG produces a newsletter providing local news and information. The newsletter is currently printed to be collected from local shops. FCG is considering replacing the printed copy with an online version. Kerry has antivirus software installed on her computer. Kerry keeps the antivirus software up to date. Describe how keeping the antivirus software up to date reduces the risk of viruses on the computer. So keeping the computer up to date does quite a few things, but let's focus on the main one here. To recognize and handle new virus strains. So when the antivirus is up to date, whatever new viruses get released the day before, the week before, the antivirus or anti-malware software will know of these viruses, know roughly how they operate, and then in turn know how to either slow them down, stop them, quarantine them, delete them, whatever the case is. New viruses are constantly being created. Virus threat is constantly evolving. So if the software is not up to date, it does not have the new information on the new viruses or the new malware. Content is compared against an existing database of virus definitions. If the virus is not in the existing list, it will not be detected. Antivirus software developers constantly monitor threat landscape. Antivirus software developers will update the definitions database when a new virus is found. So quite simply put, as I've said before, probably, as soon as a new virus gets released, people like Norton, AVG, Kaspersky, Microsoft, any one of those companies that actually create antivirus software, what they'll do, they'll watch everything that comes out and they'll actually look into each individual virus maybe. And as soon as they have a solution on how to maybe stop or slow down that virus, as I've said, what they'll do, they'll update your software with that information and with the name of the virus, how it works, all of that stuff. So if that virus is found on your PC, your antivirus software will have a relatively good idea on what it needs to do to get rid of it. Now, it doesn't work 100% of the time, but we don't really care about that. So there is a database that these companies hold, and this database has all the virus. They're called either virus strains or virus definitions. Either one is fine. Or you could just say database of known viruses or database of viruses. When your antivirus software goes to get an update, what it actually does is goes to that database and says, is there anything new that's been added in the last 24 hours, for example? If there is, can I please have that information? When your antivirus software downloads that information, what it actually gets is, okay, this virus is called Monday 001, right? And these are the signs of the virus, and this is how you get rid of the virus. So when your antivirus software is scanning, and it finds something like, whoa, this looks like Monday 001. Okay, I know how to stop, slow down, or get rid of this virus because I updated my software recently, and I got the instructions from, again, AVG, Norton, Kaspersky, whichever company it is, on how to get rid of this virus. So that's typically how that works.